Ready to expand your global reach with a Saudi Arabian phone number through Telnyx, but not sure where to begin? First, log into your Telnyx portal, navigate to the Numbers section, which is usually found on the left-hand side menu. Next, click on By Numbers in the Country drop-down menu, select Saudi Arabia. Now, pay close attention. Saudi Arabian numbers have specific regulatory requirements. Ensure you review the Telnyx documentation for any required end-user information or documentation needed before proceeding. This typically involves providing proof of local presence or business registration. You may be prompted to upload or enter this information directly into the Telnyx portal. Make sure to have these documents readily available to avoid delays in the number provisioning process. Once your documentation is approved and your number is provisioned, configure your call routing. This involves setting up where incoming calls to your Saudi Arabian number should be directed, such as a SIPWARI, a call control application, or another phone number. Finally, test your new Saudi Arabian number to ensure calls are routing correctly. And there you have it, you are all set up.